Joe here, and I've got another box to unbox for you here. This time I've got the June 2018 edition of Robb Vices. Robb Vices, they're a monthly club. The pricing I'll go ahead and include in the description on the video if you're interested in that later on. Basically what Robb Vices claims is that they deliver a world of luxury to you every month in a box like this. They say you can discover spirits worthy of your glass, crafted foods worthy of your palate, and unique products worthy of your ownership every month. And since they do send alcohol, I think maybe most months, you do have to be 21 or older to be able to get into this club. So let's go ahead and open up this box now. My first Robb Vices box, and see what's in it. Okay, first we got ourselves a little booklet here, looks like, for Robb Vices. Okay, and it looks like it's basically just an overview of what's in the box. Really nicely put together. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's in here now. Alright, first thing I'm seeing is, let me get it out. Oh my goodness. We've got ourselves a bottle, 1.5 liter bottle that is, of Levice en Rosé. So some type of 2017 rosé wine, it looks like. And just trying to see, 12.5% alcohol by volume. Pretty good sized bottle there. All right. And next we have Over Easy, enjoy the night on the day. Directions, take while drinking. It's a dietary supplement. What does this thing do? Help you with your hangover the next morning or something? Over Easy. Not sure quite yet what that's all about. Looks like we've got ourselves a pair of socks from Psycho Bunny by Robert Godley. Psycho Bunny. Those might be kind of fun to wear later on. And let's see. Gift for you. Alright, I'll have to check this out. It looks like a $20 gift card for pork products. I'll have to go to their website and check that out and possibly redeem that. And Marine Layer Intense Recovery Treatment Mask. Red algae, kelp, barley seed, mint. It's a hydrating recovery face mask. Never used one of those before, but willing to give it a shot and see what that's about. And let's get ourselves a Psycho Bunny sticker here. And Psycho Bunny. Oh, cool. With this code on here, I can get a free classic polo from Psycho Bunny. Cool. Let's see what else we have here. This is the F500 Protector. Let's see what that's about. Oh, it shows you on the back here what it's got 5 functions for the F500 Protector. Number 1, it's a safety hammer, designed hammer point for self-defense. It's also a LED flashlight, and It's an emergency alarm with a strobe light function and a portable charger for your phone, tablet, and lastly, a seatbelt cutter for emergency situations. And this is what it looks like right here. And is that it for this box here? That is it, okay. So that is it for this month's Robb Vices Club. Be checking more of these out at a later time and checking out these items for this month later on. So with that said, have a good one, everybody.